We got all these pesky leaves. You know, it's that time of year. It's fall. It's time to get rid of them. Any suggestions?
What about a flamethrower?
Ooh, I love it.
Will it burn?
I'm thinking cow burner this time. Make it a little brighter.
Yeah.
More better for the camera. More better. Yeah,
More cowbell.
More cowbell.
More gooder.
More gooder. All right, fire away. Fire away.
Oh yeah.
I had to make it super dark there because the flame is almost too bright. Fire away.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Well, I'd say that's enough leaf and needle burning for
needle.
today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. What other ideas we got going?
Let's do a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Big Mac.
Cheeseburger eating bastard.
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna carry on here and see. Let's wait. One of the trucks on fire.
Yeah, that old aluminum Ford down there.
She'll melt like that pop can real fast.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.